because the first season got so much love from so many people. We were a little, we were a little nervous that hoping that we don't let the people that gave so much love down on any level. First season was great because she just puts you at ease. So there's none of that thought of, oh my God, you're working with Sushmita. She's amazing to work with. She's great fun to work with. Coming to the fun part, it's good fun being around her. She's very relaxed. We have a great time. We're living a normal life. Nobody knows what's going to happen tomorrow. At the end of the day, yes, it is what it is. Family is going to feel a certain way, and you move on. And that doesn't come from us. That comes from her. That purely comes from my mother. She's a very naturally loving, positive, strong woman. Very strong woman. Always has been.
So hello and welcome, Sikandar Khair. Welcome to E Times. My name is Imran Ismail. How are you doing?
I'm very well, yeah. How are you?
I'm good. We're going to talk about a lot of things today, okay? But to start with, I want to start with Arya 2, which is already buzzing. It's streaming. People are appreciating. Your character, Daulat, has been loving that as well. I want to know how's the excitement level right now in your mind space and at home. How is it going?
It's great. I'm in Calcutta right now. I'm filming something else, and I think that's really cool because the excitement and the nervousness and the hope that we have, because the first season got so much love from so many people. We were a little nervous that hoping that we don't let the people that gave so much love down on any level. So if I was just sitting back home and probably twiddling my thumbs, I would be a little more antsy, I guess, and just being a little busy. It's great, and yes, it's wonderful that people are liking it and it's being appreciated. Yes, it's amazing.
Yeah, because this first season came as a surprise package. No one thought it's going to be such a great series at the first season, and second season you had to live up to that expectation. But people are already saying good things about it. So you can be happy, okay? that's not an issue.
Okay, cool. You're sure? Okay, good. Okay.
All right, but let's talk about the series a little bit more. I want to talk about Sushmita also. Tell me, how was it like sharing the screen space for the second time? How's the energy like, the aura like on the set? Because she's such an influential personality. What it takes to be around her and what's the aura around her?
It's very easy. She's very easy to work with. At the end of the day, we're all there to play our respective characters, and that's what it is. And basically, just coming down to work, it's easy to work with her as a co-actor, and I think that that is a huge compliment for when you have co-actors, and not just Sushmita, but anybody. But yes, Sushmita as well, because she is the lead. She is carrying it on her shoulders, and but she keeps it so easy. Therefore, I can say what I say right now the way I'm saying it. And that does go to her. She has been working for so many years, and she's done it. She's done whatever she's done so well, and she keeps doing it again and again so well. And yes, first season was great because she just puts you at ease. So there's none of that thought of, oh my God, you're working with Sushmita or anything like that. That's never the feel in any case. But so yeah, she's amazing to work with. She's great fun to work with. Coming to the fun part, it's good fun being around her. She's very relaxed. We have a great time. Everybody on set, actually, the first season was so wonderful. It's because of Amita and Ram sir. Amita is his wife and the producer of the show. And the thing is that people have put it very beautifully from our unit. Amita had put it very beautifully. She hosts. They host us. They're not producing it. They host us. It's a host. Like this. Like you've come actually. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, and therefore when it's so beautiful, everybody's energies are beautiful. For positive vibes and energies, just bring lovely things out in everyone.
So just being there. The show is such a great show right now because of the easiness on the set and the aura, the vibe that you're talking about. That's nice.
Yeah.
Okay, let's talk about Daulat. Okay, I read somewhere it's totally opposite to what you are as a person. All right, but that character, it stood out of an ensemble cast. It's such a talented cast. It stood out. You got a lot of eyeballs. People are talking about Daulat. I want to know what makes Daulat a character that people are so much relating to it, and people are even talking about it.
So having said that, I'm not. I was thinking about it also. A few people have asked these questions, and I was thinking about it. Actually, Daulat and Sikandar, there are similarities between the two, and there are complete opposites. Now, the things that I'm not killed anyone, and I don't intend on ever. The similarities would be that he's just mind-blowingly loyal. I am mind-blowingly loyal in real life. Like that is just a natural the way I'm wired. Uh, he's a good person. He's a good human being. Naturally, he just is that. Even though he's killed somebody, he's got love, as you say. That people have loved the guy somehow. They feel for him. I mean, I'm a good person. Okay, I can very happily say I can say that because what I see myself as is all that matters. It's not about how I see Sikandar. Not a guy. How I see Sikandar is what matters to me. I have to live with myself. So there's another similarity between the two of them. There's another difference between the two of them where it's the other similarity. Yes, the other similarity is that he's made mistakes. I've made mistakes. He can apologize, and I apologize.
We are human.
And
we do that. We are human.
We're human. Absolutely. The difference is that, and which I'm trying to, if I can, it's very tough to do that, is that Daulat I see as a person who's always very calm under pressure for whatever he might have gone through. He's calm under pressure. And if I can get that, because if you are calm under pressure, there are very high chances that you would probably take a better decision when you're calm.
Let me sum it up for you. What I saw as Daulat, I don't want to say this, but I saw it as a Krishna Bhagwan from Mahabharata. He's just watching the show from behind and guiding, like a guiding angel, and being calm in the situation of war. I saw it like that. Am I correct?
I don't know, man. It's interesting. I'm hearing this for the first time. Yeah, everybody interpreted it in their own way, and it's so cool. When your next follow-up question to me was that, what is it that is connected with the audiences and all, and just see what you have just said it yourself. You have interpreted something about Daulat. For me, again, now that is something that I will be like, oh God, that's so interesting that you could see that in that person,
Yes.
So yeah.
That's true. Okay, so let's talk about supporting characters as well. Sikandar, I want to speak about this particular character. Supporting characters are so strong. Like they carry the story, apart from the protagonist, they are the one who build up the stories, right? Some of the time they do get appreciation or they get appreciated, but the limelight somewhere, people, don't get so much of limelight. I want to know, is it because of the power of protagonist, or people only connect with protagonist more and somewhere the supporting characters get overshadowed because of the protagonist? How do you see this?
So I don't see any kind of work as protagonist or supporting. I mean, that's just how I don't mean to disagree with you. It's my vision, my look towards playing a character. Everybody, even the person who has the author-backed role, the lead, the star, is still playing a character, right? So you're playing your part. Coming back to the fact of not getting limelight, or for lack of another word, like if you're not getting recognition or the character hasn't been appreciated, that only boils down to the entire product. Maybe the entire film or the entire show. If the story is being told well, at the end of the day, that's all that matters. If it connects, then everything connects, then everything falls into place. Then everybody will get their whatever it is, because it's all together. Then every character will connect. For only when every character connects is everything working.
Fair enough.
So if somebody is not working, then nobody is working. If one character is off, then if it's not connecting with people, it's just not connecting. So then nobody's really, it's not like people are going to be like pushed aside and something has done really well. It's very rare. Where like, oh my God, but when something is not doing well, then it doesn't matter how good your role is. You could have the best role in the world. And in fact, having said that, there's a lot of pressure on the protagonist when we do talk about it like that. When you talk about it like the lead or the star, those people, it's a scary place to be where they are, because they are carrying the whole thing on their shoulders. And if it fails, a lot of it comes on them. Lord only knows what pressure they are under. Yeah. Opening kitna hoga, kaise lagega. You know what I'm saying? Wo alag pressure hai.
So let's talk about OTT as a platform. OTT as a platform has given a lot of upcoming actors a platform to perform, to show their talent. Even directors, producers, writers, everyone, even the established actors are coming to OTT platform and reinventing themselves. Tell me, how do you see the wave of cinema with this OTT platform coming to our industry and being a part of this? How does it make you feel?
Yeah, I say this and I give this, what do you call it? Thing to, I don't know what I was, but I have said this in the past also, that, if there's a village where it's in the back of beyond somewhere in India, and somebody sets up a factory there, there'll be employment for all those people. An area that is not connected to the rest of the country. There's no connection. Suddenly things will start developing around it. Stuff will start developing because there is employment. OTT is that factory. It is opened up and it's given employment, and it's given employment to everyone: actors, technicians, everyone, writers, cameramen, directors, producers, light boys, the gaff, everybody has got work because of it, and so what's happening is that you are finding beautiful talent. You're getting to see amazing talent in across the board, in everything, and you can make something if there's that conviction. And it's just beautiful. It's amazing what it's doing here. It's amazing. I've mentioned it in interviews in the past. It's like somewhat like the IPL. No? When the IPL started, we started seeing so much of talent, and we saw it, so much of talent. We found so much of talent. It helped our team. It's helped other teams in the world. Coming back to OTT once again, is that now it doesn't matter what language you make it in. The biggest hits, one is a Spanish show, one is a Korean show.
Right.
There's such big hits, my God. And look at the language, and they're hits in India. They're hits in a place which is predominantly Hindi speaking. Hindi, matlab regional. We have so many languages here, and they are hits across. Those subtitle kamal ki cheez hai. So at the end of the day, brother, it's the content. It's what kaise aap kahani kaise bata rahe ho. Abhi language gaya. There's no restriction, which is so beautiful, So it's not just confined to a territory or, just one city or just one area. The world is now your oyster. It's beautiful. It's a great thing.
So true, man. Okay, so let's talk about something personal as well. Sikandar, we all know that while you're working, your mom, Kiranji, who we adore, was going through a difficult time in her life. Being an actor, it's already a difficult job. When somebody is going back at home, how do you keep up with those pressure at home as well, and acting, which is also a pressure job, how did you cope up with this, and what kept you going, and what was the driving force behind it?
Yeah, there's nothing. It's not as big as you're making it sound, honestly. We're all living a life.
When people look at it from the other side,
Yeah, and that's the thing. That is why, because people think of it as such a big thing. Actually, that is why a lot of people keep it private. For example, Chadwick Boseman, went privately. Virgil Abloh recently battled cancer privately, because actually he's living a normal life. We're living a normal life. Nobody knows what's going to happen tomorrow. At the end of the day, yes, it is what it is. Family is going to feel a certain way, and you move on. And that doesn't come from us. That comes from her. That purely comes from my mother. She's a very naturally loving, positive, strong woman, very strong woman, always has been. And we are just normal, crazy people at home, brother. And no matter what it is, the mood is chilled, and we're going on. She's working, he's working, I'm working. That's about it.
That's nice. But the situations, the tough situation brings the family more closer. The bonds get even more stronger during
Nothing is changing. No,
nothing has changed.
No. We are strong only. We've always been like that.
Yeah.
इसमें क्या मेरी माँ है मेरा बाप है मेरी माँ है मेरा बाप है अभी और कितना क्लोज होंगे हम लोग एक दूसरे के पूरी जिंदगी रह चुका हूं उनके साथ.
I like how you chill about this. I'm happy you're talking so honestly about it. But let's talk about the talent that we have at home as well. Coming from the shadow of Mr. Anupam sir and Karanji, you always knew there will be always comparison, and there'll be trolling going on social media, everything. It's hardly difficult to fill those shoes right now of a legend. How do you take this, in person? Does it affect
I never. The shadow is in your mind. It's not never in my mind. Now, if I was to take that kind of pressure, it would be absolutely stupid. I believe in reality. When you know your reality, you are fine. You know कौन से माले पे आप हो. जब आप एक्चुअली जानते हो आप कौन से माले पे हो, तो आपकी जर्नी अपनी है, उनकी जर्नी उनकी है. अब मैं क्या अपने आप को, अगर मैं आज क्रिकेट खेलना शुरू करूं, मैं क्या तेंदुलकर के बारे में सोचूंगा? चांस ही नहीं है भाई, है ना. मैं क्या कंपेयर कर रहा हूँ अपने आप को तेंदुलकर के साथ भाई? I'll be only so stupid and silly, but no matter when it was, even if it was my first film, see, now I've gone through experiences, I learn, I'm always learning. But even if it were my first film, man, I at no point thought about this. At no point thought that I have to live up to any expectation. For we are very real people at home, man. We are actually very real and normal. I can actually sometimes tell my father, yeah, ये film में मुझे मजा नहीं आया. I thought you were really not good in it. We can talk. It's okay. He can talk to me about it. Halaki, coming back to this, there's no comparison. How can you compare? I don't even see it like that. I've never had that pressure. You've asked me the question. You can understand that ये मेरे जहन में आता ही नहीं है. ये pressure लूंगा, वैसे बना ही नहीं हूं मैं. I've not been brought up like that. We're very, I don't even know how to answer this question correctly. But thank God I don't have that, because I understand what you're asking me. You are asking me that for if I do have something like that, then it'll just be, I don't know how to say it other than it'll just be messing up my mind. Yeah, I wanted to say it differently. I don't want it to be a messing up my mind.
No, you said it right. You said it right. Okay, but we have a pool of talent at home. Okay, so tell me a few good things that you took from Kiran ma'am and Anupam sir. Few things that you always took in real life as well as an actor. It made you become a better person. What was it?
When it comes to work, man, what I have taken from them, because it's just very basic, and that's how they've always looked at work, is just to be professional, be on time, do it. My mother, before I started work, said that, listen, they've never given me advice. Like, I don't even discuss films and all that I'm doing with them until I start or finish. They just said that, listen, Sikandar, this line is a lot of waiting. So तुम 12 घंटे काम करोगे, actually screen time में सिर्फ 2 मिनट होंगे.
Right.
तो 12 घंटे काम कर रहे हो, और कभी कभी वेट करना पड़ता है शॉट के लिए. बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं. So just these basic things of with their experiences that she thought was poignant, that was important, because I can understand what she's telling me there. That, listen, bro, there's a lot of waiting. I'm just telling you that what to expect, that waiting. So that very basic thing, be on time, be professional, all those things. Utna hi baat kiya hai, and I've learned that from them. Yeah, my father cannot sit at home for more than 5 minutes. He's only thinking of work. He always wants to work. When I look at my father, I still see a struggling actor, a person who wants work, who will not ever shy away from going up to a director and almost saying, "Mujhe kaam de do." He's worked for many years now, but in a way saying that "Mujhe kaam chahiye, mujhe kaam karna hai, mujhe acting karni." That's just how that man is. With my mother, and look at him. When I talk about my father, I can only talk about him as an audience member. As to I look at him and I see the kind of variety that he's done. He's done a Lamhe, he's done a Saranch, he's done Shola Aur Shabnam, he's done a Daddy. He's done more than 500 films, and my God, his range. He's done shows abroad. He's done movies abroad, and his range is so phenomenal. My mother is just pure charm, man. She came to become a heroine. She quit the idea of following her dream, because I came into her amniotic sac. I'm sorry to get biology into this, and she had a son, and she gave up a dream. It's a dream. I'm living a dream. Doing something creative as a job is living a dream. I'm very lucky to be able to do what I'm doing. And she gave it all up for me. And then finally, when she did it, she got so much love from everybody as an actor, because you can see that. And I say this even if it's about my mother, I can still say this as a viewer and an audience. And if anybody says that that doesn't matter, but people will agree with this, that she's fire on screen, she's charming, she's full of life, she lights up a screen a little more. Some TVs might be bursting when she comes on there. You know what I'm saying? And that's beautiful. What inherent charm she has, what she's vivacious, she's so natural, she's charming. These are qualities that she has, So these are things that I see of them, And those things in my head, sometimes I'm like, how do I get my father's range? Okay, naturally for me, I see that. I see that it's so much fun what he must have done, because I have a lot of fun playing different things. I'm not just doing one thing. I get a chance to do complete. I'm most excited when I'm doing something different. For it is a challenge. It makes me nervous. It gets me like tingly, and I've those butterflies and like kar paunga, nahi kar paunga. Then I mess up, and then I try not. Then I get it correct, and then it gets better. Then I find myself, and I'm like, whoa, man, I did it. Or shit, man, I didn't. Why didn't I do it? Let's figure that out, you know. So it's beautiful. That I try to get that from him, his range. It's phenomenal. And from her, these things, just that quality.
I like the way when you stood up and you were all in attention while you're talking about them. Your eyes just lit up while you're talking about them. You know, that shows
great,
respect
man.
and love. You know, that shows respect and love. That's true. I loved the way you were saying it. You know, I'm just taking some time to process it right now. All right, but let's move on. Okay, I also want to talk to you about, you know, we saw Kiran ma'am's a funny video on Instagram. Okay, she's asking you to get married. She's giving away her jewelries. Your father did a prank on your grandmother. He said you got married, and she's like, okay, finally he did. Okay, so I want to know, and everyone who will watch this want to know, why are you not getting married yet? Your mom and dad are asking, even your grandparents are asking.
बस अभी मैं होटल में बैठा हूँ जहाँ पे शूट कर रहा हूँ कलकत्ता में. रूम सर्विस से अभी मंगाई है अभी. इसका क्या मतलब है? Why you not
Everyone's asking, even your mom, dad, grandmom, everyone.
See, I'll tell you this. It's beautiful, because see, parents always want after a point their child to get married. I'll tell you most of the time. I'll tell you why. It's because of companionship. They want their child to have companionship. They want, when they look at you, they think of you older, that you are not alone. That is actually the only reason why anybody will say Shalka, you know. I know they want grandkids also. That's another thing that they'll want, you know, personally. They want grandchildren. It's anybody, when you're there, you have a child, you want to see grandkids. It's just, I think it's a very natural human thing. Why am I not married? Yeah, I'll get married if I fall in love, and that person falls in love with me, and I feel like that, you know, and she feels like that, and we're good for each other, and it's tough. It's not easy. See, because my point, my understanding and my thing of love is that the lust, the chemist, the lust, and that bijli ka beautiful. I'm a complete romantic, man, but that bijli ka, my God, insane feeling when you're initially in it, right? You're like in it, and you're like, my God, that's just stunning. The world smiles. Your trees are talking to you. They're smiling. The sun is looking nicer.
This is like
People
a movie.
like the people who are complete, so look good, you know. You're like, chalta yaar. That's the vibe, you know. That feeling is there for a certain amount of time. How much will you see each other naked? That much only, no?
True.
That feeling then goes. That feeling then goes. Wo jata hai. It's realistic. I said I believe in reality. What lasts is when you guys actually get along and you all are good for each other. Man, that is love. Where this shit is not there, and maybe that goes, that initial feeling goes, that novelty of something, नया वाला toy, नया phone खरीदा, कैसे देखते हैं अपन? वो मैं तो स्टिकर नहीं निकालता हूँ काफी टाइम के लिए यार. फिर जब निकलता है तो शाइनिंग. फिर अभी देखो इसको, देखो तो सही, है ना? But फिर भी, but so that's the thing, man. There has to be respect, and there'll be bad days with each other. There'll be days where you and your partner will not like each other, and then you still wake up, and there'll be days where you love each other. That's normal human beings, man. We are sharing space with another energy, and that energy should be good for two people, so that, and for growth. It should be nice, and that is when that happens, my friend. If it happens, okay, so I will be the first one to get married.
All right. So as of now, Sikandar is single and available. So everyone's watching this, just get it out there, okay?
That's okay. Hopefully, you guys are also single and available. That's extremely important.
All right, Sikandar, but you know, recently we all journalists, we were just sitting and talking about actors. You know, we're talking about underrated actors who have a lot of potential, but they have not been yet utilized in a manner that they used to. They should. Okay, so Kunal Khemu's name came up, Abhishek Bachchan, you know, Abhay Deol, even your name came up in that. I want to ask you this question: do you feel satisfied as an actor yet, or you are yet to explore your potential, or you have been not utilized in a way that you want to? How do you see this? You know?
now if I start thinking like I have not been utilized or ye nahi hua, wo nahi hua, it's not going to be helpful on any level to myself. Also, I am not like that. Merely it's damn काम करना है यार. Your path is different, brother, from my path. मेरा रास्ता ये है, उनका रास्ता वो है. कुछ लोगों को टाइम लग जाता है, कुछ लोगों को टाइम नहीं लगता. अलग अलग होते हैं लोगों के पाथ. अब you have to make peace. वो peace. You have to make peace with that. For only when your mind is at peace, I feel that energy will help you. You'll help yourself, in that way. You just see, career is just one part of life. Life is actually so much more. It's about actually living with yourself. You've got to respect yourself and just be nice and be grateful and kind. I am grateful that I can pursue the dream of acting and I don't have to pay rent in Bombay. I don't have to pay for my meal in Bombay. I don't have to worry about so many things, man, that I have a vehicle to travel in Bombay, in a city, in India, in a country like ours. So if I can just be grateful and kind, these other things at some point in life thought mein aa bhi gaye honge, but then you make peace with it, whatever. तो ये underutilize वगैरह सी हो जाते होंगे तो, but मेरे में वो thought आया ही नहीं यार. Actually आया होगा जब थोड़ा यार क्यों ये, but actually when I look back at it now and I'm trying to find words, I don't think I've ever thought that यार see, when you ask this question, it's actually kind of, when you're saying underutilized, you're actually in a way comparing it to people that have been utilized, that have got it, that have made it. Therefore there's a scale, underutilized and utilized. है ना? तो I don't have any thought यार उसका क्यों ऐसे हुआ, इसका क्यों ऐसे हुआ, क्योंकि करियर है वो पार्ट है करियर. प्यार एक और पार्ट है लाइफ का. ये एक और, प्यार is the most beautiful thing. It's the loveliest thing. If you can love beautifully, that energy is lovely. And just being kind, yeah, kindness and gratefulness. बाकी सब जो होना है सो होगा भाई. अपने को नहीं पता कल क्या होने वाला है. कल यूटिलाइज हो जाएंगे, कल यूटिलाइज नहीं होंगे. यार काम कर रहा हूं मैं ये थॉट के साथ. आज मुझे मौका मिला है काम करने को. OTT के बारे में वी स्पोकन राइट नाउ. OTT के बारे में जब बात करते हैं, इतना काम मिल रहा है लोगों को, मुझे भी मौके मिल रहे हैं. ठीक है ना बॉब? क्या है?
Thank you so much for being so brutally honest with me, man. So what's happening with Sikandar next? Where are we seeing next? What's in the pipeline?
Yeah, I have done a film with Dev Patel called Monkey Man, which he's also directed. I have done another film with Vasan Bala, which has Rajkumar Rao, Radhika Apte, Huma Qureshi, and a bunch of phenomenal talent. It's a solid cast and he's a great director. I've always wanted to work with him. Both of these are going to be coming on Netflix at some point, whenever the platform decides when they're planning on releasing it. Bus, Arya's out right now. Currently, I'm filming for another show in Calcutta. By the grace of God, there's some चल रहा है. Thank you. चल रहा है.
Yeah, चलने दो, बहुत अच्छी बात है. It was lovely talking to you, man. Thank you so much for being so honest with me, and thank you so much for answering all my questions with so much honesty. Looking forward to seeing your work. Thank you so much. I'll see you again. Bye bye.
Cheers, brother. Thank you.